So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can actually monetize Seedance too. So let's get into it. So something I've realized is that there are actually people making money with Seedance 2.0 in a way that most of you guys haven't even realized just yet. And I want to dispel some of the common myths around Seedance 2.0 that I've been seeing because I've actually done a lot of research. I've joined a few communities and I want to show you guys from all my experience in data collection how people are actually making money from the people that I've spoken to. So this is just a screenshot of Patreon. Of course, these figures are very, very hard to get to, but do remember that, creating an online business, of course, is going to take time and effort. It's just that with Seedance 2.0, now we have the situation where a lot of these AI tools are making things easier for people that would otherwise have to invest a lot more time than usual. But do remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You're still going to have to put in the time and effort to create quality content that people do enjoy. So do remember that, a lot of people are going to just tell you that you can make this, borderline AI slop content and make money from it. And I will actually show you someone making money from this, but it's not in the way that you do think. So when I show you that, don't copy it because they are just basically running on a treadmill that's going to end soon. So that's why I want to show you guys what not to do. Basically, a lot of people would maybe initially say that, okay, what we should do is just upload these clips to platforms like TikTok and YouTube, flood the algorithm, and hopefully we get views. That doesn't work anymore. All of those videos where they're like, okay, yeah, we're going to upload this AI slop, get 200K views, 90K views, 1.3 million, 8,000 views, and we're going to just join the TikTok Creator Awards program, join the YouTube monetization programs. Those things no longer work because basically all platforms now realize the AI slop problem. They realize that these videos, all of these videos can be uploaded as quickly as possible and they can just spam the platform. And the platforms, they don't want spam on their platform because it just overloads the platform, it overloads the servers, and it, just makes the platform a lot worse. So you have to understand that right now, in order to qualify for the Creator Awards program or even the YouTube monetization, your videos have to show substantial human effort. TikTok and YouTube explicitly state that content that features minimal original input, that means if it's fully automated, a faceless channel churning out 100% synthetic videos with a script, voice, and visuals are all generated by AI, those are essentially disqualified from the revenue pool. Now, you have to add your own creative spin, which is what I'll show you guys how to do in a moment. So these kind of videos here, don't listen to people who are going to tell you, yes, it's super quick, just upload these videos, make money, it's super fun. That doesn't work anymore. And I don't want you guys to spend your time wasting that, okay? If you actually want to monetize this, okay, because this is genuinely one of the biggest opportunities that I'm seeing right now, this is what you should do. So I will show you guys the first example of someone that is doing this successfully, and it may surprise you what they're actually doing because it did surprise me. So this channel here is called The AI Guy, and the way that they're making money through TikTok is through Patreon. Now, most people look at, these platforms as ad revenue. And I would say that if you can move past that, you can definitely monetize in a completely different way that I would argue is much more easier. So this channel here uses AI images and videos to market their Patreon for exclusive content. So what that means is they have their own animated series and episodes of where their own characters are in their own universe. And you can see it gets around 12,000 views, 12,000 views, 13,000 views. Very, very consistent views. The episodes are, about an hour long, but they're essentially all AI produced. But the way that they're monetizing it is that essentially when you go to, like if you want a new episode, let's say they only upload every week, you can actually pay to join their Patreon tier if you want the episode early. So the key here is to make a series that people actually enjoy. Once they're hooked, you can release the episodes early on a Patreon or, a paywall link, and then have people pay for those episodes earlier. Now, this isn't the only way. I'll show you more methods after, but I actually wanted to see how much this person was making. And you can see here, they've got one for $1.60 a month, $2.80 a month, $5 a month. And each tier that you have can, of course, have different things that people will pay for. So this one here, you can see early access to the episodes. You get, a Discord server where everyone can talk, and you get a Patreon only Q&A. And there's, of course, other stuff here where, who knows, maybe people can have their own characters join the universe or whatever. But I think you guys have to understand that this is a very big monetization opportunity for those of you who actually have the creative know-how to be able to create characters and series that people will enjoy. And this is someone that is already doing it. And I've done the math. When I join their community, I will show you guys what it looks like from the inside. And so this is what it actually looks like. And now I'm on the free tier because I didn't actually pay for it, but you can literally see here, like if you go on this, he's got 1,800 members, okay? And that is pretty crazy if you ask me, okay? Now, not all of those members are going to be paid, of course, but you have to understand that he's got 727 paid members, okay? Now, if you do the math here, on the least paid tier, for 770, 27 paid members, for the least paid tier, guys, that is, $1.60 a month. Okay. Which is, if you do the math, that's about like minimum, absolute minimum, $1,400 a month. Okay. Now he's probably making maybe $3,000 to $5,000 a month if we can, understand, because essentially when it renews, it's going to renew at $4 a month. So 4 times 7, that's around $3,000, considering people are going to be on other tiers as well. That bumps it up to around $5,000, guys. And this is purely just AI generated content. Okay. I want you guys to understand that the content here is not hard to make at all. The real way he's making money is because he's so deep into that niche, I can't even understand what the content is about. And all the people who are in that niche, and I'm going to show you guys, if you look at this channel and you look at the videos here, you can see that it's literally just images. Now, why have I titled this video Seedance 2, Seedance 2? Well, you have to understand that if you have Seedance 2, you can make these videos better than this, okay? And later on, someone is running this exact play dance with, someone is running this exact, method with Seedance 2, okay? So I want to show you guys this channel. I mean, you can see the comments here. They're all like very, amazing. I love this joke, yada, yada, yada. The point I'm trying to make here is that they don't use Seedance 2, but think about it like this, guys. If you use Seedance 2 to produce a series on YouTube and then held those episodes with paywalled content and then had people paying up and signing up and had a dedicated community, that is going to be much better than using your traditional, trying to monetize, get demonetized, get annoyed that YouTube, removes you from the partner program. That is going to be 10 times better, okay? And this person already has 700 paying members for simple AI images, okay? And like I said, guys, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, don't forget to join the free community. I share, all this stuff all the time. And you have to understand that some other people are doing this as well on TikTok. So paywalled content, I believe, will be the meta moving forward. If you look at this account, okay, as well, they said subscribe to unlock our full movies, subscribe to our Patreon for full movies. Once again, they're also using Facebook. So you can see here, $2.99 a month, cancel at any time, exclusive videos, subscriber badge, and you get discounts. So for me, I know that this is what people are running with Seedance 2.0, and this is a channel that uses Seedance 2.0. So with this account, I'll show you what they're posting. So with this account, what they are essentially posting is content that is copyrighted. Now, it's not copyrighted in the sense that they took it from somewhere, but these characters, Marvel and DC, I don't think they care if you upload an AI slop video, but the problem is that Seedance have essentially banned this stuff. So the point I'm trying to make here is that I don't know if they're going to be able to monetize this long term, because if you have, episodes of Iron Man fighting Red Hulk and someone has to pay you to watch that content, Disney and the rights holders could argue that that is copyrighted content because, you have to pay for access. So you could essentially say that. And of course, we already know that Seedance is, cracking down, and ByteDance are cracking down on these kind of videos, and studios are literally paying to get access. But the point I'm trying to make is if you go into their bio, you can see that they said for full videos and exclusives, you click the link, there's a place you can sign up to watch those episodes for free. So you can see that these episodes are essentially, a gateway into it. You're seeing superheroes fighting, it's a fan-made stuff. And some people will actually go into the Patreon, go into the Facebook and actually purchase this to watch this kind of content, okay? The key thing here is that you need to understand whatever kind of universe you're trying to build here. I think that this is a great method. I also joined this guy's community. His one didn't seem that well. I don't think his universe was constructed that well because the videos just seemed to have no storyline. They didn't really seem to have any sort of, fight in them. There wasn't really much there. But I will show you guys a third user who is doing this, but just hasn't monetized it properly. And if they watch this video, they'll be able to start monetizing immediately. So there is another user, and they are getting the most insane views ever. You can literally see every episode is just going absolutely crazy. They are getting, 6 million views here, 15 million views here, 6 million views here, 1.6 million. Basically, every episode of this AI generated Seedance 2.0 series is getting hits. And so when you actually look, I'm going to show you guys our account now. And so what you need to do here is look at these views, okay? So you can see this is their most popular episode. They were just uploading different things in different series. And each episode, like sub-episode, is only 1 minute long. Now, I'm not sure if they're in the creative program or not, but it looks like they were trying to get there. But all of these videos were made with Seedance 2.0. And you can see that this series has gotten millions and millions of views. Now, remember, guys, if you're trying to monetize this, the best way to do that is not through the, ad revenue platforms, but of course, a different platform where people can pay for the episodes. Think about it logically. If you have 1 million people watching every episode, okay, and remember the last guy I showed you, the AI guy, had 10 to 12,000 people watching every hour-long episode on YouTube. This is different. He's got 1 million people, arguably 10 times more. And the other guy was making $3,000 to $5,000 a month. So this guy, we could argue that he could definitely, it's plausible he could be making more, okay? Now, of course, it's still going to be hard to get users, convert users, make that stuff. I'm not saying this is a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not, you have to understand that these episodes are really well designed. I would argue that, the way how they've done it is really, really well. There's a lot of character development. There's a lot of, good use of which mobs. There's a lot of, good use of which characters they choose to use in which scenes. So this isn't just your average guy uploading AI clips. A lot of people are going to make this seem like it's just completely easy. That isn't true. But I would argue that this method, if you have something, maybe you're someone who's, super niche into a super, weird kind of, thing that nobody else knows, but you have, a community that you can build. Okay. I'm sure there's something that I have. I'm sure there's something that you have. And you can see that Seedance 2.0 is powering all of these scenes to make it look so good. And that is the point here, is that if you, it doesn't take long for you to upload these episodes. I mean, you could get a minute of footage within a few hours, generate a couple of episodes, see how it does on TikTok. And then once you find the series that works, get people, okay, put a link in your bio and say, for exclusive episodes, come here, get it a week before everyone else. And, as long as you get a video that goes viral, I think it's going to be easier to monetize than the other methods. Okay. They've got other shows here that also do pretty well. And you can see literally someone said 14 more to watch here. And that's the main thing here. Okay. Most people don't realize that this is how you want to monetize. I would argue this is probably the best way to monetize Seedance 2.0. I'm not seeing any other people talk about this. So if you're seeing this video, I would argue that you're very, very early, and understand that, if you have that creative juice where you're thinking, okay, maybe I can try this. Maybe I can try this with, I don't know, an anime universe. I don't know, a chess universe. I don't know, whichever idea you have where it's going to be a series that you can continually upload. This is the time to go ahead and do that. Okay. So you can see here that people are saying, I enjoy this, I hate this, but people cannot stop watching. And so if this user had a link in the bio, we all know that they would have monetized it in a much more effective way. So to summarize, guys, this is something that does work. I did try this myself, but I haven't published any episodes just yet because, of course, I'm pretty busy trying to make these videos and trying to educate people. But I will show you guys some of the scenes that I've been able to make. So this is a scene from a just cyberpunk universe that I tried to make. I think this one was a really, really nice scene. I'm going to show you guys some more scenes here. If I scroll down, I think this was arguably the best scene. And this is where I actually figured out how to prompt. So if you want this prompting guide that actually has, a specific way that you do prompt, because what I did is I created a custom GPT that would prompt scenes with Seedance for me. So let me show you guys exactly what the document is. And so you can see right here, the Seedance 2.0 prompt guide, how to, get cinematic results without getting flagged. I know a lot of people, they want to generate CGI clips and stuff without getting flagged. This guide basically covers all of that. So when you ask the AI to prompt you, it will give you the best prompts you can without getting any of that CGI flags, because I've tried certain things and it just doesn't work. Okay. So this one basically, tells you what gets blocked, what won't work, what will consistently get passes. And so for me, this was, a super one. This wasn't even for the action scene one. It includes some action stuff as well. But if I scroll up, I'm going to show you guys all the CGI scenes I was able to generate. And so you can see right here, I was able to generate this CGI scene of this monster coming in. This one here of this one, coming out, this dinosaur scene, this CGI scene right here. This is actually pretty hard to do with Seedance because they don't usually allow this and it's really annoying. But like I said, I figured it out. There's a guide. It's going to be free in my free community. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. But I would argue that now is the best time to get into this, because with this level of video quality, it's absurd what you can do. So for me, monetizing Seedance, if I had to start, this is what I would do. I would create my own series, hope people get engaged, see what they do, see what they like. And then of course, this is where I would say, sign up for this other stuff. So with that being said, if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.